Locked doors are now in lockup. Eyes watching when I walk up. Locked doors are now in lockup. Eyes watching when I walk up. Steel toed echoes through concrete veins. She wants to toss a sanitary napkin wrap, add that to pain. I glove up, open the cell on taking aim. Slide refusal in the silent game. Lock it quick, bring the can out to keep it straight. She laughs quiet, unwraps a fake. Palm swings wild, finger slaps towards my face. Miss close, swift jab to clavicle text. Keep it safe, door slams closed. To my back, walk it off, shoulders composed. Pressure building, dangers near. Stay sharp, bury the fear. Pressure in my grip, don't slip, stand tall. Hold the line, never let it fall. Back against the wall, power in control. Step by step, answer the call. Watching biters, touchers, and tellers. Waffle stompers in the showers. Fickle water filling corridors, they flooded their cells again. Someone hit the sprinkler with a slide. Wrist lock is the easy go-to. Sweep the leg and the elbow to the ground. Hip jab to throw them off balance. Hitting the infrared all. Slapping the karate, just wishing everyone would behave. Inmate hiding in the shower won't leave the mist. He sheepishly bargains low for things on his list. Bleach in the Bible, a curious call. Know something's coming. Back up for all. Hairbrush stuck, needs a medic. Quick, bristles jammed in. Problem to fix. Glove up again, keep movement small. Try for a gentle answer every call. Risk gets real, chills of steel. Step light, know they feel. Pressure in my grip, don't slip, stand tall. Hold the line, never let it fall. Back against the wall, power in control. Step by step, answer the call. Watching biters, touchers, and tellers. Waffle stompers in the showers. Fecal water filling corridors, they flooding their cells again. Someone hit the sprinkler with a slide. Wrist lock is the easy go-to. Sweep the leg and the elbow to the ground. Hip jab to throw them off balance. Hitting the infrared all. Slapping the karate, just wishing everyone would behave. One's faith in behind these doors. Right and wrong, ring in distant rows. Walk a wire when nothing's sure. Quiet force, got indoors. Respect's demanded from every glare. Pressure's the hammer, I'm forged in here. Orders rolling, sometimes I protest. Follow through, don't feel right, won't be no rest. All I riot up, still just two against the zone. Drag one from hiding, another locked alone. Poor bodies of my partner clash and detain. Pin to the wall, take risks, maintain. Weight of the moment, I'll fight for my breath. Wanna make it home, keep cheating death. Backup storms in, floors cleared by the time they arrive. Standing above chaos, just glad I survived. Pressure in my grip, don't slip, stand tall. Hold the line, never let it fall. Back against the wall, power in control. Step by step, answer the call. Watching biters, touchers, and tellers. Waffle stompers in the showers. Fecal water filling corridors, they flooded their cells again. Someone hit the sprinkler with the slide. Wrist lock is the easy go-to. Sweep the leg and the elbow to the ground. Hip jab to throw them off balance. Hit in the infrared all. Slapping the karate, just wishing everyone would behave. Keys jangle low, shadows peel away. Night surrenders to the break of day.